義妹は姉を殴って気絶させ、石棺に押し込んだ。すぐに彼女は血の水で棺全体を封じた。義妹は家に帰ると姉の婚礼衣装に着替えた。彼女は当然のように姉の婚約者と結婚した。結婚式を前にして、姉は偶然にも戦神と彼の母親の会話を耳にしてしまった。戦神が本当に愛しているのは自分の妹だと初めて知った。姉と結婚したのは、戦神の妻となることで災いが降りかかるからだった。本当に愛する人を守るために、彼は公に姉を妻にすると宣言した。これを聞いた姉は心も冷え果てた。義妹が冥界の使徒の結婚を拒否し、両親と激しく口論し、深海から飛び降りるとすら脅していると聞き、そこで姉は即座に義妹と結婚を交換することを決めた。
I'll marry the underworld blind prince. You can be the god of war's wife. You mean that? But my mother, the moon goddess, she left me the moonlight torch. I'm taking it with me, and all the treasure in the Palace of Dawn.
Cynthia, don't push it!
Push it? Those all belonged to my mother. Once Daphne marries Atheon, the god of war, we can have anything we want.
Cynthia, my dear, you are willing to take your sister's place, marry that blind, take whatever you want.
Well, thanks, father.
You're my daughter too. Of course I love you.
Love me? Cynthia, are you sure about this? Giving up Aethon, son of the sun god? He loves you so much. You won't regret it, right? Everyone says they love me. My mother, the moon goddess, returned to the heavens to keep the moon in order. I never saw her again. Then my father brought his mortal mistress and bastard daughter into our home.
Take her, drug her, and send to the river god's bed tonight.
And tried to trade me for resources. That was his love. Then Atheon descended like a savior. He said he loved me.
How dare you lay a finger on her?
Who are you?
Atheon, the god of war? What the hell is he doing here?
I fell in love with her at first sight.
Cynthia, will you be my wife?
I will.
From now on, anyone who hurts Cynthia is my enemy.
Greetings, goddess. Aethon, what are you doing?
No treasure in Olympus could ever be worthy of you. What I want to give you is a romance that only blooms for you. My wife deserves the best in the world.
All hail the mistress!
Aetheron, thank you for such a love. Aethon, didn't you have the Council of Olympus today?
Nothing matters more than you.
Then wherever you go, I'm going with you. He even took a spear for me. Aethon! Why would you take that from me?
Because I love you.
Aethon! But all of it was just a well-planned setup. I won't regret it. But before the wedding, no one in Olympias can know about this swap. Don't worry, Cynthia. I won't tell a soul. Atheon, do you truly mean to wed Cynthia? What of your vow to Daphne?
Grandmother, my heart has always belonged to Daphne.
I love Daphne's pure heart, her kindness. But I have too many enemies. I don't want the one I love hurt again. My wife would always be a target. Cynthia is an immortal. She can survive anyway.
So I was just a shield for Daphne. He built a cage called love, waiting for my heart to fall, only to kill me.
Every second with that arrogant pureblood Cynthia makes me sick.
Makes you sick? Atheon, you love Daphne's pure heart? Do you even know she stole my chamber and destroyed the only thing my mother left me?
That bracelet is mine. It's made from my mother's tears. Give me back. You want it back?
Okay, strip away your pure blood pride and beg me on your knees. Please, give it back. On second thought, no. My bracelet. I pieced it back together, but lost it again while saving someone in a fight. Aethon, are you really going to the underworld to steal Daphne away?
Yes, I'm not letting Daphne marry Hades' cursed son. After I deal with my enemies, I'll claim her with honor.
Aethron, I won't be Daphne's shield.
No need to steal her away.
You love her that much?
Then I send her to you myself! Hold on. I'm getting you out of here.
Thank you. I swear I'll repay you.
What are you thinking?
If it weren't for Daphne, I would have died in that battle. I'd do anything for her, even marry someone I don't love.
You said that you would marry me and give me the unique type of love, but you gave all of this to Daphne. I love it.
I heard Daphne likes daffodils, so I brought some.
How did you know I liked them? Thank you, Aethon.
All your sacred vows were fake.
Please, sit.
Roast meat, sweet wine, all my favorite.
Not a single dish I like.
I love you, Aethon.
You always ask me to bring Daphne along, and you know her better than you know me. All the signs, how could I not notice?
Cynthia, I miss you.
Well, good act, Aethon. Fine, this game I will play along with you. I miss you too.
Oh, right. Tomorrow I'm taking you to the Fates for your wedding gown fitting.
Bring Daphne too. Her wedding's the same day.
She can try hers on as well.
Cynthia? What happened? Don't be afraid. I'm on my way.
That's silly boy. He keeps saying he's only using Cynthia, but no one cares about a girl that much, if not love her.
Cynthia!
You scared me to death. I thought you were in danger.
Are you afraid that I'm dead, or just worry about losing the shield for your precious beloved?
Why are you crying? Who did this to you? Tell me. I'll kill them.
What if it was you?
I would never hurt you.
Aethon!
Daphne!
Aethon. I mentioned once laurel leaves were beautiful. I can't believe you actually made this necklace for me.
I had a craftsman make it. I'm glad you like it.
Just something you threw together? Aethion's so focused. What is he making?
My lord, why insist on making it yourself? You're injuring your divine body.
I must give her something one of a kind. She deserves only what's infused with my power.
He must be preparing a surprise for me. Then I should prepare a gift for him too. I put all that thought into your gift, while your surprise was for Daphne.
Thank you, Aethon. I really love it.
My pleasure. Glad you like it.
Cynthia, you're going to the Fates tomorrow for your gown fitting, right? Can I come too?
I don't...
Of course. Cynthia, Daphne's wedding is the same day as ours, in 7 days. I asked the 3 Fates to prepare 2 gowns. You 2 sisters can try on dresses together.
2 gowns? I bet you see this coming.
My lord, these are the wedding gowns we prepared. The first was woven with golden threads of dawn and silver threads of starlight. The second is plain mortal threads.
The first one.
I'm so sorry, Cynthia. I didn't know you liked the first one too. It's all my fault. Please don't punish me. Daphne, where you learned this new innocent act from? When have I ever punished you? You're scaring me, Cynthia. I'll kneel and beg if I have to.
Enough! Daphne's your sister. Just because your power's more divine, you can't bully her like this all the time.
Aethon, we've been together 3 years. And you still can't tell who's the bully here?
The first gown doesn't suit you. Let Daphne have it.
But I like that one.
I said, it doesn't suit you. Give it to Daphne.
Are you sure? You're taking away my choice because of her?
Cynthia, come on. The second one suits you much better.
Fine. I'll take that one. Thank you, Atheon. Then come with me. Let's try them on.
Cynthia gave in that easily? With her pride, she should have made a scene. Well, obedient is better.
Daphne.
Atheon, do I look like a true goddess?
Absolutely breathtaking.
Wow, she's stunning. Her divinity outshines how plain the fabric is. She's breathtaking, the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. Harlot stole my moment again. Atheon, you liar. This is the first and last time I'll ever wear a wedding gown for you.
Cynthia, you look beautiful in this one. What happened?
Goddess Cynthia rejecting the mortal threads.
What? Why didn't you tell me you'd be allergic like this? Get the divine medicines. Now!
Is it? I didn't tell you?
I brought you this from the mortal world. Do you like it?
I love it. Ah, my neck.
You got rashes on your neck. Are you allergic to mortal fabric?
My body can't handle that material.
I'm sorry, Cynthia. I didn't know.
From now on, no mortal fabric is allowed in my palace. I'm sorry, Cynthia. It's my fault. I'll remember next time.
There won't be a next time.
Cynthia! What do you mean there won't be a next time? We're getting married in 7 days. I'll have the fates make you a new gown.
I'm sorry, Atheon. I didn't know her reaction would be that bad. Otherwise, I wouldn't have dared take the first gown.
Watch out! Cynthia, watch out!
Atheon! Help!
God of war! You slaughtered my entire clan! Today, it's your turn to taste it, losing the love of your life and drowning into the unworld!
Atheon, save me! I will die! Please, help me! Atheon, save me! How did I forget? I was the shield he chose to take the blow for Daphne.
I love Daphne. Then why does seeing Cynthia get hurt break my heart?
Atheon, how does it feel to lose the one you love? You deserve this. Eternal curse, all your fault! Cynthia, hang on. Get the divine healer! Now!
Atheon, didn't you choose Daphne? Even so, why are you crying?
Cynthia, you're awake.
Cynthia, you're finally awake. Aethon has been here for 3 days.
Why? What's the point?
I'm sorry, Cynthia. It's all my fault. I'm only a half-god, too weak. If I weren't there, Aethron would have protected you. Shut up!
Cynthia, I wish I'd take that blade for you. I was terrified when you were out. You matter to me more than I ever thought.
Aethon, you always say you love me. So that's your love? You disgust me! Get out! Aethron, watch out!
Daphne!
Thank God. You're okay.
Daphne. Cynthia! Take it out on me all you want, but why hurt Daphne? This is too far.
Aethon, my head hurts so much. Am I dying? Aethon, you took a blade from me once. Now I've taken one for the woman you love. We're even.
Poor thing, a goddess, lying here for days, and not one person from her family came to visit her. That half-god Daphne, she only got nicked by a shard, and Lord Lucius and Lady Lydia haven't left her side. Even the god of war drained his power to heal her.
Look at them, so happy. I am the outsider all along. I once had a family like that. Focus. Let the moonlight listen to you.
They moved! They really moved!
My clever girl.
Lucius! You broke your oath, fathered a bastard daughter with a mortal! You've disgraced Cynthia and me! How are we supposed to live on in Olympus now? Please calm down, goddess. Lucius and I truly love each other. Maybe you just couldn't keep your man.
Mother. Cynthia, there is something unusual about the moon. Mother has to go now. I must return and take up the lunar cycle.
Mother!
Cynthia, you should live for yourself.
Mother! No one's ever loved me, so I'll learn to love myself. Aethron, you love Dappy for her kindness? I can't wait for the day you see her true face. Only 3 days before the wedding. Then I'm out of this cage. Goddess, your wound hasn't fully healed yet. You can't leave this soon, and your family didn't even send an attendant to guide you back.
I don't need them. I can manage on my own. 2 more days before the wedding. Then I'm free. Where am I? I've been kidnapped?
Who are you? Let me go!
Cynthia.
Your sister fell into a coma because of you. Don't you feel any guilt today? You're gonna pay for what you did to her.
I went to the Temple of the Fates and climbed the stairway to heaven to pray for this charm. Aethon, I want you safe, happy, forever. I'll always love you.
Cynthia, I swear it. I love you forever.
Aethon? He actually disguised himself, kidnapped me, just to punish me for Daphne?
The divine whip is going to hurt. This is what you get for hurting Daphne.
I never hurt Daphne! How dare you kidnap me! Let me go!
She went after
after sweet Daphne first. I won't show her mercy.
Do it! Again.
Atheon, whatever was between us, is dead now. Completely.
Cynthia, I'm sorry. I shouldn't leave your room and let you get kidnapped. But you hurt Daphne the other day. Maybe take this as a lesson. Don't be so reckless again.
I understand.
Don't be upset anymore. Tomorrow's our wedding. All gods of Olympus are waiting. Look, I brought you your wedding gifts.
Goddess, the god of war has specially got you the blue of the deep necklace from Poseidon's treasury, an island blessed by Zeus himself, and a temple atop Mount Olympus.
Do you like them, Cynthia? That's what the god of war's wife deserves.
I like them. And I prepared a wedding gift for you too. One you'll never forget.
What kind of gift? So mysterious.
You'll find out tomorrow.
I look forward to it. I hope it's unforgettable.
Don't worry, it will be marked deep into your soul.
The mighty god of war stayed up all night, finally made it to the day you go bring back your bride.
Marrying Cynthia, that proud goddess, is just my plan to protect Daphne. I'm only curious about that big gift she said yesterday.
And I prepared a wedding gift for you too.
Take the gold ornaments forged by Hephaestus, along with Olympus's divine fruit and sacred wine, head to the Palace of Dawn. I'm taking my bride home. Yes, my lord.
Foolish boy, don't wait until you lose Cynthia to realize she's the one you truly love. By then, even the three fates can't help you.
Mother, you always told me to marry a god who'd make me his whole world. Instead, I'm marrying the son of Hades, a man I've never even met. But that's all right. This is my only path to escape that oath-breaker. Here's to freedom, to my new life.
Cynthia, the underworld chariot will be here any second. You'd better not back out now. If the god of war blames us, we won't survive it!
I gave my word. I won't regret it.
Everything you asked for is in here. Hurry up, come out to put on Daphne's veil.
The rest of my things, send it all to the underworld.
So, Cynthia, how does it feel? Falling from grace and ending up with that blind prince of the underworld?
Say one more word, and I change my mind. You can say goodbye to Aethon, and you will never be the god of war's wife.
You! Aethon is crazy about me! The second he sees it's me under the veil, he'll be over the moon!
Oh, he will. He'll go insane.
Both wedding processions are here, from the Palace of War and the Underworld. Put your vials back on, now!
Soon, I'll be the god of war's wife. One daughter marries the god of war and the other gets sent to that blind prince of the underworld. It's so unfair.
Such different fates. God of Dawn, I'm here to pick up Cynthia to my palace. Here are 10 chests of treasures and gifts for Daphne.
You are most generous, my lord. He's this devoted to Daphne already. Once he learns Daphne's the one who marries him.
God of Dawn, my lord is under a curse and cannot leave the underworld. He sent me to receive his bride.
Come in. Good thing Cynthia agreed to the swap. Otherwise, Daphne's life would have been ruined.
Celia, my bride, let me take you home. Come with me, my lady. The underworld awaits.
Atheon, this is goodbye. Forever.
This doesn't feel right, like I'm about to lose my most important thing.
Cynthia! Why is she in that carriage? Then who did I just marry?
Surprise!
Daphne? Why is it you? No. No. This is wrong. All wrong! Stop the chariot! Now! Cynthia! Cynthia! Cynthia!